Hey there coffee lovers and on-the-go enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the battle of the travel mugs. We're going to compare two popular brands, Contigo and Zojirushi, and see which one comes out on top. If you're tired of lukewarm coffee or tea during your commutes, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of travel mugs. Let's start with the design and construction of these travel mugs. Contigo travel mugs are known for their sleek and modern designs. They often feature a one-handed operation, making them convenient for sipping on the go. Contigo mugs are typically made from stainless steel with double-wall insulation, ensuring that your beverages stay hot or cold for extended periods. On the other hand, Zojirushi travel mugs focuses on functionality with their simple yet efficient designs. They usually have a vacuum-insulated stainless steel construction, providing excellent heat retention. Zojirushi mugs are known for their innovative lid designs, such as the flip-open lid with a lock-release button for easy drinking. One of the key factors when choosing a travel mug is how well it retains the temperature of your favorite beverages. Contigo travel mugs excel in this area thanks to their double-wall insulation. They can keep your drinks hot for up to 5 hours and cold for up to 12 hours, ensuring that you enjoy your coffee or iced tea at the perfect temperature throughout the day. Zojirushi travel mug takes temperature retention to the next level. With their vacuum-insulated construction, they can keep your hot beverages hot for up to 6 to 8 hours and your cold beverages cold for up to 12 to 24 hours. This exceptional heat retention makes them ideal for long commutes or other adventures. Nobody wants to deal with spills and leaks in their bags or cars, so leak-proof features are crucial in a travel mug. Contigo travel mugs are renowned for their patented auto-seal technology. This innovative feature ensures that the mug remains sealed when not in use, preventing any accidental leaks. The lids often feature a lock mechanism to provide an extra layer of security. Zojirushi travel mugs also offer excellent leak-proof features. Their lids feature a tight seal and a locking mechanism, ensuring that your beverages stay secure inside the mug. Whether you are traveling, commuting, or enjoying outdoor activities, you can trust Zojirushi mugs to keep your drinks contained. Let's talk about ease of use and cleaning. Contigo travel mugs are designed for convenience with features like one-handed operation and easy-to-use buttons or levers for drinking. They often have a wide mouth opening, making it easier to fill and clean. Many Contigo models are dishwasher safe, adding to the convenience factor. Zojirushi travel mugs prioritize simplicity and functionality. They typically have a simple yet effective design for easy drinking, and their wide mouth openings make it easy to clean and fill with your favorite beverages. However, Zojirushi mugs are often hand wash only, which might be a consideration if you prefer the convenience of dishwasher-safe options. Price and availability are important factors to consider when choosing a travel mug. Contigo travel mugs are generally more budget-friendly and widely available. You can find them in many retail stores, online marketplaces, and even local coffee shops. On the other hand, Zojirushi travel mugs tend to be priced at a higher range, reflecting their premium quality and advanced features. They are often found in specialty stores, online platforms, and dedicated kitchenware shops. As we conclude this comparison between Contigo and Zojirushi travel mugs, it's clear that both brands offer exceptional options for keeping your beverages hot or cold on the go. Contigo excels in affordability, convenience, and a wide range of design choices. On the other hand, Zojirushi stands out with its exceptional heat retention, innovatively designs, and premium quality. Thank you for joining us today as we compared Contigo and Zojirushi travel mugs. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Remember, a great travel mug can elevate your on-the-go beverage experience.